Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to zip or compress a file in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So let me just create a new text document here to completely show you. So go with new and go with text document, and let me just name that into text 1. Let me just edit my typo, my bad. Click on enter. And let me just create another text document here. Go with new. Go with this text document. And let me just name this for text number 2. Click on enter. Okay. And from here, let me just create a new file folder also. Just have to make a right click, go with new to create a new folder. Let me just rename that into folder 1. Okay, let me just create a new folder as well for the second time. Let me just make a right click, go with new and go with folder and name this for folder number 2. Okay, now in order to zip or compress all of these files, all you need to do is you need to drag your cursor to select all of such. Okay, just select the specific file that you would like to zip or compressed with, and once you have selected all of such, you need to make a right click, and from here, you need to scroll down and go with show more options. And that way you would be able to open up a window like this, where here you need to locate for this option, which is send to next to share. In that moment, you would be able to open up a small window like this, where it contains a list of the options. And by here you can see Bluetooth device and the next one to it, which is the compressed or zipped folder. So all you need to do is you need to tap on it, and in that way, eventually wait until a new zip folder or compressed folder is being created, where this one contains all of these files that we have contained here. So if you would like to open it, all you need to do is you need to make a right click and go with extract all. In that way, you would be able to bring up or open all of the files that you have contained inside on this new zip file. So you can name that or you can rename that. Just have to make a right click, go with this rename icon, and you can rename that into my important files. Then click on the enter key to create such. So in that way, you can now delete all of these files. Shift to delete, click on yes if it will ask you to confirm, since you have already compressed it here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.